Welcome to all of you in infinite classes. Dear students, today we are going to solve NCERT Math Solution Class 9th, Chapter 2 Polynomial Exercise 2.2. Dear student, this video is going to be very important for all CBSE, ICSE, UP board and all other state boards of India. So please watch this video till end and kindly like, share and subscribe this educational channel. So start the solution of the first question. First question is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. पोलिनोमियल 5x माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 की x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 और x इज इक्वल टू 2 पर वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमें पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू x इज इक्वल टू 0 पर फाइंड करना है। दिया गया पोलिनोमियल है p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 5x माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 at x is equal to 0 implies p of 0 is equal to question mark. That is, we have to find the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 0 implies we have to find out p of 0 is equal to question mark. पोलिनोमियल की किसी पार्टिकुलर वैल्यू पर वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए दिए गए पोलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल के प्लेस पे आप उस वैल्यू को पुट कर दीजिए, तो पोलिनोमियल की उस पार्टिकुलर रियल नंबर पर आपको वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। सो फॉर फाइंडिंग p ऑफ 0 पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0 इन p ऑफ x। x के प्लेस पे 0 पुट कर दीजिए तो आपको पोलिनोमियल की 0 पर वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। दैट इज p ऑफ 0 होगा 5 इंटू 0 माइनस 4 इंटू 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 5 into 0 0 0 square is 0 and 0 multiplied by 4 is 0 plus 3 0 minus 0 is 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 is 3. Any number plus 0 is given number, therefore p of 0 is equal to 3. So दिए गए पोलिनोमियल की 0 पर वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 है। दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट। Second part we have to find the value of given polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. We have p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. We have to find the value of given polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 implies we have to find p of minus 1. For this, put x is equal to minus 1 in p of x. दिए गए पोलिनोमियल में x के प्लेस पे माइनस 1 पुट कर दें, सो वी गेट p माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू एक्स, दैट इज 5 इंटू माइनस 1। 4x स्क्वायर मीन 4 इंटू माइनस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 3। 5 इंटू माइनस 1 इज माइनस 5, minus 1 square is 1 and 1 multiplied by 4 is minus 4, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3, minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So therefore p of minus 1 is equal to minus 6. दिए गए पोलिनोमियल की x is equal to minus 1 पे वैल्यू कितनी मिलेगी? minus 6. Now third part. In third part, we have to find the value of given polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 2. We have p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 2. पोलिनोमियल के x is equal to 2 पे वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। तो इसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? पोलिनोमियल में x के प्लेस पे 2 पुट कर देंगे। put x is equal to 2. We get p of 2 is equal to 5x, 5 into 2, 4x square, 4 into 2 square plus 3, 5 2s are 10, 2 square is 4, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 16, 13 minus 16 is minus 3. Hence p of 2 is equal to minus 3. Answer. So the value of given polynomial at x is equal to 2 is minus 3. So write down the solution of this question. और अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके सॉल्यूशन को आप वीडियो पॉज करके नोट डाउन कर लें. क्वेश्चन 2, फाइंड p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. First part, p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Second part, p of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Third part, p of x is equal to x cube. And fourth part, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. We have to find the values of given polynomial at 0, 1 and 2. So first part is p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. दिया गया पोलिनोमियल है p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. इस पोलिनोमियल की हमें 0 पे, 1 पे, 2 पे वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो सबसे पहले 0 पे फाइंड करेंगे. p of 0 इज इक्वल टू होगा, वेरिएबल के प्लेस पे 0 पुट कर दीजिए. y स्क्वायर इज 0 स्क्वायर, y माइनस वाई इज माइनस 0 प्लस 1. 0 स्क्वायर इज 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0 minus 0 is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore p of 0 is 1. So value of the polynomial at y is equal to 0 is 1. Now we have to find p of 1. p of 1, for p of 1 put y is equal to 1 in the polynomial. Y square, 1 square minus y mean minus 1 plus 1. Minus y plus y cancelled out, 1 square 1. Therefore p of 1 is equal to 1. Now find p2. P of 2 is equal to, put 2 at the place of y. p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus y is minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Hence p of 2 is equal to 3. So the value of given polynomial at 0 is 1, at 1 is 1, and at 2 is 3. This is the solution of first part. Now second part, we have a polynomial p of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Firstly we find p of 0. For p of 0 put t is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. 2 plus t, 2 plus 0. Plus 2t square is 2 into 0 square. t cube is 0 cube. 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 0 square is 0 and 0 into 2 is 0. 0 cube is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Any number subtracted by 0 is the given number. किसी भी नंबर में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे आंसर में दिया गया नंबर आपको मिलेगा. सो p of 0 इज इक्वल टू 2. आंसर. नाउ फाइंड p of 1. p of 1. For p of 1 put t is equal to 1. We get 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 square is 1, 1 into 2, 2. 1 cube is 1. 3 plus 2 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore P of 1 is equal to 4. Now find P of 2. For P of 2, put 2 at the place of t in the given polynomial. So we get 2 plus t, that is 2 plus 2. 2t square is 2 into 2 square. T cube is 2 cube. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 cube is 8 plus 8 minus 8 cancelled out. Hence implies P of 2 is equal to 4. So the value of given polynomial at 2 is 4. This is the solution of second part. Now third part. In third part we have a polynomial P of x is equal to x cube. Find the value of this polynomial at 0, 1 and 2. Firstly we find P of 0. For P of 0, put 0 at the place of x. So x cube is 0 cube, 0 cube is 0. Therefore P of 0 is 0. So the value of given polynomial at 0 is 0. Now find P of 1. For P of 1, put 1 at the place of x. X cube is 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. Implies P of 1 is equal to 1. So value of given polynomial at x is equal to 1 is 1. Now find P2. For P of 2, put x is equal to 2 at the place of x. 2 cube is 8. Implies P of 2 is equal to 8. This is the solution of third part. Now fourth part. Now we are going to do fourth part. In fourth part we have a polynomial P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. We have to find the value of given polynomial at 0, 1 and 2. Firstly we find P of 0. For P of 0, put 0 at the place of x. We get 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस का 1 मिलेगा. So implies P of 0 is equal to minus 1. So the value of given polynomial at x is equal to 0 is minus 1. Now find P of 1. For P of 1, put x is equal to 1 at the place of x. X minus 1 is 1 minus 1. X plus 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 into 2 is 0. Implies P of 1 is 0. So the value of given polynomial at x is equal to 1 is 0. Now find P of 2. For P of 2, put x is equal to 2 at the place of x in the given polynomial. So P of 2 is 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So implies P of 2 is equal to 3. So the value of given polynomial at x is equal to 2 is 3. This is the solution of second part. So write the solution of this question, and now we are going to do question number 3. Question number 3 is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. वेरीफाई करें कि x की दी गई वैल्यूज़ उनके सामने दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो हैं. वी नो दैट वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल दैट मेक पोलिनोमियल ज़ीरो इज़ नोन एज ज़ीरो ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. x की कोई भी वैल्यू जो पोलिनोमियल को ज़ीरो कर दे दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो कहलाती है. सो इफ़ x इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 1/3 will be the 0 of px, then p minus 1 upon 3 must be 0. So find p of minus 1 upon 3. p of minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. 3 cancelled out, we get minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out, we get 0. Since p of minus 1 upon 3 is 0, therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 is the 0 of p of x. आंसर, क्योंकि x इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 1 अपॉन 3 ने इसको 0 बना दिया है, तो इसलिए ये x इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 1 अपॉन 3 दिए गए पॉलिनोमियल का 0 होगा. सेकेंड पार्ट, we have a polynomial p of x is equal to pi x minus pi and check x is equal to 4 upon 5 is 0 of px or not. For this we find p of 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. 5 cancelled out, we get 4 minus 5 which is not equal to 0. 4 minus pi is not equal to 0. 4 में से pi माइनस करोगे कुछ ना कुछ आपको वैल्यू मिलेगी, 0 नहीं मिलेगा. Since p of 4 upon 5 is not equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 4 upon 5 is not the 0 of given polynomial px. In third part we have a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 1. Check x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are the solution of this polynomial or not. That is, are the zeros of this polynomial or not. For check p of 1, we get 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 is the 0 of given polynomial. Hence x is equal to 1 is the solution of p of x. Now find p of minus 1. p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. The square of negative number is positive. Minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 is 0. Since p of minus 1 is 0, hence x is equal to minus 1 is the solution of px. Since given values make polynomial 0, therefore these are the zeros of this polynomial. Now fourth part. Fourth part is p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2 and the values of x are minus 1 comma 2. We have to check that these values are the solution of px or not. For this we find p of minus 1. p of minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 0 minus 3 is 0. Since p of minus 1 is 0, implies x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of px. वेरिएबल की कोई वैल्यू जो पोलिनोमियल को 0 कर दे उस पोलिनोमियल का 0 कहलाती है. Since p of minus 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू -1 पर पोलिनोमियल 0 हो जाता है, देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू -1 इज द जीरो ऑफ गिवन पोलिनोमियल. फॉर चेक x इज इक्वल टू 2, वी फाइंड p of 2, we get 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. Since p of 2 is 0, implies x is equal to 2 is the zero of p of x. x इज इक्वल टू 2 पोलिनोमियल को 0 बना रहा है, इसलिए x इज इक्वल टू 2 इस पोलिनोमियल का 0 होगा आंसर. नाउ फिफ्थ पार्ट. इन फिफ्थ पार्ट वी हैव ए पोलिनोमियल p of x इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर. चेक x इज इक्वल टू 0. फॉर दिस we find p of 0. p of 0 is 0 square. 0 square is 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Since p of 0 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 0 is the zero of p of x. क्योंकि x इज इक्वल टू 0 पे दिया गया पोलिनोमियल 0 बन जाता है, इसलिए x इज इक्वल टू 0 दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का 0 है आंसर. नाउ सिक्स्थ पार्ट. इन सिक्स्थ पार्ट वी हैव p of x इज इक्वल टू lx प्लस m एंड वी हैव टू चेक x इज इक्वल टू -m अपॉन l is the zero of p of x or not. For this we find p of -m upon l. If p of -m upon l is equal to 0, then x is equal to -m upon l will be the zero of p of x. Therefore p of -m upon l is equal to l into -m upon l. Put -m upon l at the place of x plus m. L cancelled out, we get -m plus m. -m plus m is equal to 0. Since p of -m upon l is equal to 0, implies x is equal to -m upon l is the zero of p of x. चूँकि x इज इक्वल टू -m अपॉन l पर दिया गया पोलिनोमियल 0 बन जाता है, इसलिए x की ये दी गई वैल्यू -m अपॉन l इस पोलिनोमियल का 0 है. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द सिक्स्थ पार्ट. नाउ सेवेंथ पार्ट. सेवेंथ पार्ट इज p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, x is equal to -1 upon 3 comma 2 upon 3. We have to check that x is equal to -1 upon 3 comma 2 upon 3 are the zeros of px or not. For this find p of -1 upon 3. Put x is equal to -1 upon 3 at the place of x. We get 3x square mean 3 into -1 upon 3 whole of square minus 1. Square of negative number is positive. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. 3 cross cancellation. We get 1 minus 1, that is 0. Since p of -1 upon 3 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to -1 upon 3 is the zero of p of x. दी गई x की वैल्यू पे पोलिनोमियल 0 बन जाता है, इसलिए x की वैल्यू -1 अपॉन 3 दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का 0 है. नाउ चेक x इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन 3. फॉर दिस find p of 2 upon 3, put x is equal to 2 upon 3 at the place of x, we get 3x square means 3 into 2 upon root 3 whole of square minus 1, 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. By cross cancellation 3 cancelled out, we get 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. Since p of 2 upon under root 3 is not equal to 0, hence x is equal to 2 upon under root 3 is not the 0 of p of x. दी गई x की वैल्यू पे पोलिनोमियल 0 नहीं आया, देयरफॉर दी गई वैल्यू x का 0, दी गई वैल्यू दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का 0 नहीं है, हेंस x इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3 इज नॉट द 0 ऑफ p ऑफ x. नाउ 8th part. In 8th part we have p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. The value of x is given by x is equal to 2. Check x is equal to 1 upon 2 is the solution of px or not, or we can say x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of px or not. For this, find p of 1 by 2. If polynomial becomes 0 at x is equal to 1 upon 2, then x is equal to 1 upon 2 will be the 0 of px. Therefore p of 1 upon 2 is equal to, write 1 by 2 at the place of x, we get 2x means 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. By cross cancellation 2 cancelled out, we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. Since p upon 1 upon 2 is not equal to 0, therefore given value of x is equal to 1 upon 2 is not the 0 of p of x. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, x की कोई भी वैल्यू अगर दिए गए पोलिनोमियल को 0 बना दे तो वो वैल्यू उस पोलिनोमियल का 0 कहलाएगी, और अगर पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 ना हो तो वो वैल्यू उस पोलिनोमियल का 0 नहीं होगा. सो स्टूडेंट, इसका सॉल्यूशन नोट करें. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करेंगे. Question number 4 is find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. दिए गए पोलिनोमियल के जीरोस फाइंड करें. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो फाइंड करने के लिए उस पोलिनोमियल को ज़ीरो के बराबर सेट कर दें, और ज़ीरो के बराबर सेट करने के बाद आपको एक इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी. उस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करें ट्रांसपोजिशन मेथड से, तो x की आपको जो वैल्यू मिलेगी वही उस दिए गए पोलिनोमियल का 0 होगा. px इज इक्वल टू 0, सो इम्प्लाइज x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. बाई ट्रांसपोजिशन x इज इक्वल टू -5, so x इज इक्वल टू -5 इज द 0 ऑफ दिस गिवन पोलिनोमियल. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, p of x is equal to x minus 5. We have to find the zero of this polynomial. For this, set p of x is equal to 0 implies p of x, that is x minus 5, is equal to 0. By transposition, x is equal to 5 is the zero of given polynomial. Third part. In third part, we have a polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. We have to find the zero of this polynomial. For this, write p of x is equal to 0 implies 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. By transposition, 5 को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट किया, प्लस का 5 माइनस का 5 हुआ. अब x को आइसोलेट किया तो x के साथ में जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई में था वो दूसरी साइड में डिवाइड में पहुंचेगा. x इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 5/2 इज द जीरो ऑफ दिस गिवन पोलिनोमियल. नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट. इन फोर्थ पार्ट वी हैव ए पोलिनोमियल p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. We want to find the zero of this polynomial. For this, write px is equal to 0 implies 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. By transposition, 3x is equal to 2. Isolate x, we get x is equal to 2/3. This is the zero of given polynomial. Fifth part. In fifth part, we have a polynomial p of x is equal to 3x. We want to find the zero of this polynomial. For this, write p of x is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to 0. Isolate x, we get x is equal to 0/3 and 0 upon any number is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is the zero of given polynomial. Now sixth part. In sixth part, we have a polynomial p of x is equal to ax. We want to find the zero of this polynomial phi. For this, write px is equal to 0 or a into x is equal to 0. Isolate x, we get 0 upon a. 0 upon any number is 0. So x is equal to 0 is the zero of given polynomial. Now seventh part. In seventh part, we have a polynomial p of x is equal to cx plus d, where c is not equal to 0. We want to find the zero of this polynomial. For this, write p of x is equal to 0 implies cx plus d is equal to 0. By transposition, cx is equal to minus d implies x is equal to minus d upon c. This is the zero of given polynomial p of x. Answer. सो स्टूडेंट, ज़ीरो का मतलब होता है कि वेरिएबल की वो वैल्यू जो दिए गए पोलिनोमियल को ज़ीरो कर दें. सो किसी भी पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो फाइंड करने के लिए उस पोलिनोमियल को ज़ीरो के बराबर रखें तो इससे आपको एक इक्वेशन मिलेगी. उस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करें तो x की जो वैल्यू आपको मिलेगी वो वैल्यू ही उस पोलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो होगी. तो इस क्वेश्चन का ये सोल्यूशन आप नोट करें. और आज हम लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज 2.2 अपनी कंप्लीट की. इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज 2.3 सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर आपको इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन में डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.